Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? The boy Silence coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another
brand new banger?
Hold it. I'll even hold it. Bitch, what? Why you doing, John?
What is that? But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps, me quick kick off the first video now. Apologize for the waka noise in the background. Apparently, my neighbor them a cut grass. Really, dog? Know when me want shoot? But anyway, peeps. Former opposition KD Knight. Apparently there's a leaked voice note of him just assessing the whole election and he giving his thoughts and just dropping some bars and well, pretty much all of us know what's been happening with JLP and one bag of things. Wanna listen, alright? So I go pre it now and get right tonight, alright? Make we go.
Let me tell you the problem. And people don't seem to understand this part of it. Money is not easy to come by. You ask people for donations and so on. They give you some. I don't want to tell you who was Oswest's largest donor. I don't want to tell you who gave him the most money. But I'll tell you this. Much of the money that the Labour had spent in this election was money that they stole from the people themselves. They stole that money and they stored a part of it to use in buying votes. It is not through the generosity of others that they were able to get the whole set of money that they had. This was as a result of them stealing $14 billion from the public purse. 14 billion, that's $4.6 million from every single Jamaican, including the baby, including the beggar who has to pay GCT. And then they took it and they bought my black brothers and sisters. This is a return to slavery. That's what it is. But this time is not the white man buying the black man. It's the black man putting up himself for sale to anybody, whether black or white. My brother, we are going to regret this. I will be gone. I will be gone. But black people going to regret it, because the time is coming when not one single person coming out of Northeast St. Catherine will be able to become a member of Parliament. Not one. Only the rich, the very rich, will be able to become members of Parliament, to plunder the public purse some more and steal some more and let themselves get richer. I'm told that Michael Manley time gone. My God. My God. Why hast thou forsaken us?
Alright, peeps. Me not say nothing yet until we watch the second video. watch this first before I start talking, yeah? Alright.
I go down spoil already, you know. Eh? Crystal Lee, St. Anne, Northwestern. See, eh? No. Don't call her name. See, eh? Crystal Lee, I can't believe them bury Mr. Shane yesterday. And at this we can find.
Alright, peeps. As me say, I not say nothing until I make you see the second video. Now, me hear what Mr. KD Knight I say and thing, and if that is true, it is a very sad thing. Very, very, very sad thing. But as you clearly can see right here, so too, PNP people them are the opposition I do for them own kind of dirty thing too. I'm say all of this to say this. From when me little and when PNP was in power, me hear say them buy out vote to ballot box missing one bag of thing. Me hear whole heap of corruption too. You know what I mean? Me also hear say one side no better than the other side. Now me hear story from the green side, things about the green side. Me hear story about the orange side too. From me little. So here what? Corruption dey on both sides. Cause as me say back then, you hear say PNP usually buy vote too. Know what I mean? And them ballot box missing. And so a long time them things they are going. And to be honest, most countries in the world, they've been thieving taxpayers' money. Well, me I talk about Jamaica, they've been thieving taxpayers' money. We've been hearing about that, billing this, doing that, doing that. This is something we have come from a long, long time. Alright? But that's just my thought. I'm not here to preach to nobody. But me just say, Ray, you know what I mean? All of them, both sides of them skeleton in them closet and thing, you know? So, anyway, peeps, that are my thoughts. We could move on to the next video now. Next video now, peeps.
Like, because I asked you to leave because you did not pay your rent. I asked you to leave my house. I wasn't evicting you. I didn't want to even put an eviction on your record. I just asked you to leave my house and you do this shit? Like, because I asked you to leave my house and you wouldn't leave, talking about, Timmy, you gonna have to take me to court? You do all this though? Like, I ain't never did shit to you, never. I gave your bitch ass a place to live when nobody else would give you a place to live. And you tear my shit up.
Yo.
Ain't no scam, bitch, cause ain't no insurance on this motherfucker. This gonna come out my pocket, bitch. You gotta have...
Wow. That's crazy. Alright, peeps, here what you see if I did me? Yeah man, me I swear man. Me I bring her to court. Me no know what lead to this. I me no want to say nay. Me not swear for him, me not swear for nobody. But if I did me I bring her to court. Look what the woman do in my house. Paint on the floor. Mash up all of the window, then tear down the sink. Mash up the man washing machine, broke it glass. tear down the house because the man asks if he leave. Wow, so that's how people deal with people nowadays. That's how some people deal with people nowadays. Now as I said, I don't know what them did have. Let me leave it alone. Make we move on to the next video.
See a lot. Me have some corruption, me have some promises, and me have some fuckery. See a lot. Corruption, promises, fuckery. Yeah, late at the orange, what you want? You want a promise? Alright. What about the one, yeah? We are going to fix the bridge I want to fix from about last election, the one before that. You want that? You want with ice? Alright, see that. See a lot. Corruption, promises, fuckery. Corruption, promises, fuckery. See a lot. Corruption, promises, fuckery, see a lot. Yeah, brother, in green. What you want? You want a corruption, alright. What about nepotism? You want one? Alright, hold this. See a lot. By one nepotism, by tribalism I get 2 dead people. By tribalism I get 2 dead people. See a lot. Nepotism, corruption, promises, see a lot. Lies, fuckery.
Alright peeps, hope you enjoyed a short little clip there. We never get enough content today, but as me say, I just try to keep the pot bubbling for the team and think I know say some of una cuss and I say Ray. So I try my best. Apologize about the waka noise in the background. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter where Mr. KD Knight share from opposition, but it's a whole heap of bangarang and things that are going from back then. You know what I mean? And my thing is this. Every opposition always a call out things where the next side always fall short on. You know what I mean? So it's a back and forth thing from a long time. You know what I mean? You do this, you do that. Yeah. I keep it 100, man. They both been having them skeleton in a closet, both team. You know what I mean? So
Bruh.
yeah guys, sorry, my dog, I might be nice, but yeah man, that's just my thought on the whole matter.
Bruh.
Why is beer nice just decide to make on me a shoot today? Hear the peeps. But anyway peeps, thank you very much for watching. Then mash up the whole set and just go and journey with your boy. Shoo! Cha!
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.